We all have a reason for being in this business. There's a core desire to put information out there, to find things out and to make it public.
The idea of being able to go and teach 1 billion people something is really meaningful. It's a very empowering thing.
My passion is food. I have a lot of things to share. AdSense is for me an easy way to put ads on my food blog and to earn money and to focus on my content.
All you have to do is drop a little code in your website and immediately it starts working.
It would be impossible to make it any easier.
I work now full-time for my blog and it's just fantastic for me.
El sitio, no sé si nos cambió la vida, porque nuestra vida es el sitio.
AdSense gave me a chance to do something good for the others.
It's given me the freedom to do what I want. You can't beat it.